So this is my quick review of these hand sanitizers. I actually needed something to have in my car all the time, and when I found this one I was actually very excited because you can see they're not too big, not too small, they're 12 fluid ounce 2 bottles, so I can have one for myself and give another one to my husband's car. And I always like to have hand sanitizers on hand. Also with the sanitizers, you can see it's very easy, open and close the bottle. It's also sugarcane alcohol right here. It has aloe, avocado and orange in it. And you can see it's pretty good and comfortable small bottle, so you can put it, like if you're using it for your car, you can put it in a side door or maybe in your glove box compartment, or if you want to use it for work, or just have around the house, always helpful. And also when you open the bottle, I like that I can just use a little bit. So this is like a new bottle. Yeah, you see I can just use a little bit. I already used that one. I can rub it on my hands, and you can see it's like evaporates very quickly. It smells really nice. It has this like citrus scent into it. It's very nice and pleasant smell. And I also like that it doesn't leave any residue on my hands. It just feels fresh, clean, and totally evaporates. You can see it was like 15 seconds and my hands are clean. Overall, I absolutely love these hand sanitizers. They made in USA, they smell good, it's very convenient bottle. Highly recommend to check them out. Thanks for watching.